Hello, this video is going to be helpful for you if you want to download and install Visual Studio Code on your system. Whether you are using Windows, Mac or Linux operating system, no need to worry. I will here and help you that how to download and install the Visual Studio Code on different operating systems. So let's start. Go to the browser, whatever you're using like Google Chrome or Edge, and search here for Visual Studio Code. And now go to the first link, and here you can see the download button is here. If you click on it, then the download process will be started. And now here is the option if on which operating system you want to download, like Windows, Linux and the Mac operating system. So basically in Linux category you have two options, .deb file and .rpm file. .deb is for Debian based, like if you are using Ubuntu Linux, so click on this for Linux. And if you're using Red Hat operating systems like Fedora, SUSE, so click on this .rpm. okay, and if you're using Mac, then go with this link. So in my case I'm using Windows, that's why I'm going with this download link. Click on this and see the download process has been started here. It will take almost 2 to 3 minutes to complete the download process, so wait for. Visual Studio Code is basically provided by Microsoft, that you can use this IDE for various purposes, like if you want to make projects, maybe a small or big project, that you can do this easily. And you can work with various programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, and you are making any web page. And if you want to work with web development, any kind of you can do with the help of the Visual Studio Code. So this is the version 1.92 is the current version of the VS Code. So it's remaining 40 seconds now. Let's you can find various extensions in VS Code, like live server for directly running your project from Visual Studio Code. And there are many other fascinating extensions for other languages like Python, Java, C, C++. You can find easily. Once download process is completed, let's show me how it's working, the VS Code. So it is completed now. So go to the folder and see, this is the .exe file. Double click on it to install. Setup has detected and the setup is currently running. Okay, so in my case I have already downloaded and installed on my system, on my Windows operating system. That's why it is showing. So if you are new to this, so accept that license and agreement provided by Google and click on the next button. And if you want to create a desktop icon, then you can check this button and click this next button. So after that, the installation process will be completed, and then you will able to open the Visual Studio Code. So I want to show you that I have installed Visual Studio Code earlier, and see, this is the interface. The interface is basically very easy, so you can use it, and you have to choose here the language, and this is the extensions tab where you can find several extensions related to programming languages. So I hope you got it, that how to download and install VS Code on your system. So thanks for watching this video. Let's see in the next video with the new topic.